3 top SEO software tools. There are a number of software tools that can help you improve your SEO. Some of these tools run on your computer and others are services that you can access through the internet itself. In this article, we're going to look at 3 tools that will help you improve your SEO. Micro Niche Finder. Keyword research is the first step to any successful SEO campaign. You need to know what keywords people are searching for, and you should also determine the amount of competition so you know what you're up against. If you don't do this step properly, everything else you do for SEO may be wasted effort since you could be targeting keywords that nobody is even searching for. One of the most effective tools for keyword research is a program called Micro Niche Finder. It will generate a list of keywords related to whatever seed keyword you give it, and it can tell you how much competition there is in Google as well as how strong that competition is. It automates the entire process, saving you hours compared to doing the same research manually. Market Samurai. Market Samurai will also generate a keyword list and analyze the competition for you, but it does a number of other things as well. It will identify sites where you can get backlinks, how many backlinks you'll need to outrank the top results, topics on which to write articles for your site, and much more. And Market Samurai has another advantage over Micro Niche Finder. It will run on any platform. Micro Niche Finder is a Windows application, but Market Samurai will run on Windows, Mac, or Linux. SERP SERP is a web-based service that will help you identify the best keywords to target as well as analyze your competition. It generates detailed reports about the top 10 results for your keyword that includes information such as the page rank, the number of backlinks, and the domain age. It also tells you if the exact match domains are available so you can quickly identify domains if you're in the early stages of your research. Any of these applications will help automate a lot of the work that goes into researching good keywords for your site. They can save you a lot of time, so they're worth the cost when you consider how much your time is worth. If you can't justify the cost right away, plan to invest some of your earnings into one of them as soon as your site starts generating revenue.